Good morning!
Ciao picciotte e picciotti! How are you? Happy to see you again. Good morning from Sicily. As you know, this is a live broadcast, and here in Sicily it's a beautiful sunny day, only a little bit windy. And as you can see, our face is restored.
Rosella, I would like to show our friend this beautiful coastline. Please switch it. That way. So look at that, Rosella. Show there, please. That's Capo Calavà Cape. And this is one of the best coastlines in Sicily, guys. We are so close to the village of Gioiosa Marea. This is one of the best coastlines in Sicily. As you can see, it's about a wild coastline. We have only a few small villages along this coastline, and one of this is Gioiosa Marea. Oh, Rosella, look at that. The Aeolian Islands. Show the islands. So that's the Aeolian Archipelago, guys. The Volcano Island, Lipari Island, and Salina. We can see 3 of the 7 Aeolian Islands, but in a few minutes I will show you the rest of the islands. Tunnel of Capo Calavà. That's beautiful. Now this is a modern tunnel. In a few seconds we will pass through an old tunnel. Are you ready, guys? Look at this beautiful tunnel. Perhaps we will lose that connection. Oh, we saved the connection. And now we are approaching Gioiosa Marea. I would like to show the we can have a stop here.
We want to also say something about the beautiful green mountain.
Yeah. Let's stop for a minute. Where are you, Rosella? So guys, good morning. Now I'm not driving anymore, so I can talk to you. Let's show the beautiful coastline behind us.
Come here, Gianca, closer.
No, but I don't want to obscure the landscape.
Yeah, that way.
Rosella, so let's talk about our adventure last night. So we've been to Argimusco. We've been sleeping in our car to be ready to assist to watch the dawn, the sunrise. And then we had no connection, so we tried to make some live streams. I think it's windy.
Yeah.
We have to go inside the car.
Inside the car,
So,
maybe. Yeah. But first, Gianca, show also this beautiful green mountain. The Nebrodi.
That's the Nebrodi Nature Park, guys.
Thank you.
So we were at Argimusco Nature Reserve. Beautiful location. We decided to make some live broadcasts. We are with the backlight. So we have no connection. Oh, that's better. We have this. No, I'm sorry. We have some issues.
That way, Gianca, yeah. That way.
So we had no connections, and we made a movie, some footages with our camera. So in the next days we will upload a beautiful 4K video just to show you the beauties of Argimusco Nature Reserve. We had the opportunity to watch the sunrise there, the dawn, so the first dawn of summer. It was our opportunity to wish you a great starting point. You know, this day it's the first day of summer, but it's also the Father's Day. So we want to wish you again, to all the fathers in the world, a great Father's Day, even if we are late now. But now we want to show you the coastline between San Giorgio to Gioiosa Marea. We spent the night in San Giorgio after Argimusco. We had a great sleep, about 10 hours, guys, because we had no sleep time in Argimusco. We tried to sleep in our car, but
we went to sleep at what time yesterday?
9:30 p.m. So very early. we were very destroyed, guys.
Because in the car, guys,
It's impossible to sleep in a car. Only if you are perhaps 18, 20, but not now. Not yet.
we are too old, Gianca.
So, I drive now to Gioiosa Marea. It's a beautiful location. I know that some of you are from Gioiosa Marea, so it's your opportunity to watch your hometown. And now, Rosella, please, just look at the... No, we do it from Gioiosa Marea. We will show you the Aeolian Islands. Stay tuned, guys.
In the meantime, don't forget to invite your friends to like our page. Don't forget to share this live streaming. Don't forget to visit our new website, bestthingsToDoInSicily.com. You have many things to do, guys. Let me also read the comment, and I'm switch. Good morning, Peter. Ciao, John. Ciao, Ben. Oh, in some places still Sunday.
Yeah, sure.
Away.
So it's
Yeah.
so we are in time to wish you a great Father's Day.
Yeah.
It's about no, I don't think so. So it's almost 11 a.m. So it could be
Ben Gentile wrote this.
it could be 2 a.m. in the night in California, for example.
Yeah.
I think we are late, guys, to wish you good Father's Day.
And of course, all our friends
Puoi mettere l'aria condizionata?
from Australia is following us because they are awake.
Oh yeah.
Ciao, Rose.
And that's its Capo d'Orlando Cape over there. So it will be our next step today.
So if you are from Cabo d'Orlando, stay tuned because it will be our next.
Okay,
live
now you
broadcast.
can see better. Not the edge of the road, of course.
Wow, maybe we need another stop
yeah.
here, Gianca,
Yeah.
for our friends to let them know our beauties.
Oh, look at the color of the water. So Rosella, show our friends where Capo Orlando is.
Over there.
So not this point, but that point. And that's Gioiosa Marea.
over there.
So guys, actually the sea, it's calmer, but it's so windy today, and so you can see there are some turbulences on the water.
And I hope also that they can see the small island.
Yeah, let's talk about the small islands. So, you can see the Aeolian Islands, guys. So we have Vulcano Island, Lipari Island. Sorry, a track at best. So, Vulcano Island, Lipari Island, they look like are connected, but they are two separate islands. Then we have Salina Island, Christopher Sidotti, your hometown,
Ciao, Chris!
your home island. And then we can see Filicudi and Alicudi. And if you are a good watcher, behind Lipari you can see a part of Stromboli Island. Stromboli Island is perhaps it's one of the highest volcanoes in the world.
Yeah.
Beautiful island with black sand.
Still active.
No, it's one of the most active.
Yeah.
Not still active. It explodes every 15 minutes. So.
And you can enjoy a beautiful show from a boat.
Yeah, let's talk about Stromboli from the car. Tieni, Rosella. Sorry for the wind, guys. I was talking about the Aeolian Island. I hope you understood what I said. Aeolian Islands are 7 beautiful islands right here, right from the north coastline of Sicily. So you can reach the Aeolian Island from Milazzo, from Capo d'Orlando. They are the main ports where the hydrofoils live to the Aeolian Island. I was talking about Stromboli Island. Stromboli is one of the most active volcanoes in the world. It explodes every 15, 20 minutes, and if you want to see the explosions, you have two possibilities. You can hike the top of the mountain and see the explosion from above. That's beautiful, guys, because it's very safe. Or it's a hard excursion, but it's about 3 hours and a half to climb the mountain. Or if you are lazy, you can watch the explosion from the sea. You can take a boat. You can hire a boat, or you can join a group excursion and watch the explosion from outside, from the sea,
in a safe way.
Yeah, they are both safe ways. Show the entrance of Gioiosa Marea. So we are approaching Gioiosa Marea, a very nice seaside village with a beautiful view, guys. So they have a beautiful promenade. As you can see, we are high above sea level. So look at the beach over there, Rosella. Okay, no, don't worry, you're late.
We can have a stop in the
No, you know where we stop. You already know. It's time for breakfast. Gioiosa Marea, let me say something, Rosella, in the meantime, is of course, as all the villages in the coastline near Messina, I would say from Cefalù, from Tusa to Messina, and from Messina to Syracuse, to Noto, also to Ragusa. They are so good in making granita. So this is the main road, and it's full of bars. Show the bars, show people, elderly people.
Oh, look at this, 500.
Oh, now we stop. Now
You can sit outside and I can go inside to get...
I would like to park now and have a granita.
Scendi? Ma ci vuole una cosa per entrare a mangiare. Non ce l'ho qua. La devo prendere.
No, facciamo inquadriamo il lungomare.
Posso?
Vai.
Facciamo così. Io la prendo. Tu vai là. Che arrivo, io ti raggiungo.
Rosella. Vieni qua, vieni qua.
place is for you.
So guys, we are ready to have our breakfast. Rossella
I'm already ordered
a couple of granita, I suppose. Which flavors?
I think that you already know, Gianca.
My favorite combination.
Yeah. Almond and pistachio.
I think it's better we put this way.
If you want, I can move the table.
No, it's okay. Oh.
That's funny this way. So when our granita are going to come, we can see.
I'm in the shadow, but it's okay. So, next stop, where we go now, Rossella?
After this tasty break, we move to Cabo d'Orlando.
Look at that.
To enjoy. Oh, please.
Siamo in diretta, siamo. Sì, sì, puoi salutare il mondo. Però no, non sto
In siciliano. Non ti preoccupare, saluta. Ciao.
Grazie.
I want to come closer.
So, granita and brioche. I have almond and pistachio.
Look, guys. This is fantastic.
So very creamy, very tasty. Nothing compares to ice cream. This is completely different. This is, in my opinion, absolutely better than ice cream.
And this is the right way. You need to take a piece of brioche, make like this,
If you come to
and eat together.
Gioiosa Marea, you can miss the opportunity to enjoy a granita in this bar. You can say the name. Ritrovo Roma.
Yeah.
Show the other way.
Ritrovo Roma.
That's the name of the bar. Guys, so tasty. You can't believe it. So, I will say see you in the next hours from Capo d'Orlando. Capo d'Orlando is an important town in the coastline of Sicily, in the north coastline between Palermo to Messina, and it's now so important because they built a very nice port, so you can go to the Aeolian Island from Capo d'Orlando as well. You don't necessarily have to go to Milazzo. Perhaps it's better if you want to visit the western Aeolian Islands such as Filicudi, Alicudi, or Salina, because they are closer to the coastline, to the main Sicilian coastline. Now I don't want to waste my time. I have to enjoy my granita. So, Rossella, I don't know if you want to add something. I go ahead with my granita.
Love, hugs, and kisses from Sicily. See you later.
Ciao.